Bitcoin price prediction for 2025. I believe the market is going to pump hard to the upside, and the minimum $250,000 is my own prediction for Bitcoin in the heat of the bull market. And I'm going to show you why in this very video following this very data. Okay, the federal interest rate, okay, the Fed fund rate for the United States is a big clue to when that major pump is going to happen and how severe is going to happen following this data right from 2016 into the 2017 bull market to the 2021 bull market and to this very bull market we are expecting to start in with major pump later part of this year and in 2025. All of this and more about Myro in this very video. So watch this video till the very end. Let's dive right into the details. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about crypto, day trading strategy to keep you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. This is very important right now, guys, because everybody is waiting for that very major pump in the market. My own prediction for this very bull market is $250 per BTC, and that is very, very possible owing to the fact that a lot of things has happened in the crypto space already. Look at this very chart right here. From this very point in 2016, this is November 2016, we see this slight pump in the market, and the market begin to move aggressively in 2017. Okay, and then we see market pump all the way upward. This was the 2017 bull market, and then market come back right down to 2018, which is the bear market, and also 2019 right here on this very chart. And then after 2019 into 2020, during the COVID period, market begin to move a little bit upward. And then so after this breakout on Bitcoin in 2020 October, market begin to move all the way upward, and the bull market we see in 2021, and the market come back down a little bit, make a new high. This was the price level of $68,000 before market begin to come back down again in 2022. Okay, 2022 and 2023, and then from January we see this recovery. The market begin to pump all the way upward as a result of the ETF approval, and right now market has created a new all-time high even before the halving. All of this event is a very big sign that this very bull market is going to be very aggressive and very, very special and unique in its way. Now, one thing that is very important on this chart is if you follow this data, it is covered that each time Fed cut interest rate, okay, that is after every interest rate hike from 2016 right here, market begin to drop back down, okay, as a result of interest rate hike. Because if Fed hike interest rate, it means that people will not be able to borrow more because the interest they will pay on borrowing will be high. But when they cut interest rate, it means that Fed is encouraging borrowing, and therefore they're also encouraging spending. So people invest more when interest rate is being cut. Okay, now if you notice on this very data, you discover that market was moving upward in 2017 as a result of interest rate cut, as you can see right here. Okay, and that very interest rate cut was what triggered the market to begin to move upward in 2017 around this very area. The same interest rate cut happened in 2020 ending, okay, entering 2021, as you can see right here. Okay, so interest rate was cut within this very area in 2020 and entering 2021. So as a result of that interest rate cut as well, market begin to pump aggressively to the upside in 2021, 2020 October into 2021, and that aggressive pump come in for the bull market in 2021 before the bear market in 2022 and 2023. This is very important. So if you look at this data as well, right now it discovered that Fed has been hiking interest rate, okay, from 2022 because of inflation, and the market begin to come back to the downside. If you notice from this very area, rates have been unchanged. What that means is Fed is approaching a rate cut, very importantly. So what you need to pay attention to right now is when we have this rate cut from Fed, the market is going to definitely begin to pump to the upside. And the simple reason is because anytime Fed cuts interest rates, it means people can borrow at a low interest. So if people borrow at a low interest, it means Fed is encouraging spending and investing. So therefore, they are not tightening the economy. They are encouraging people to invest into the economy by borrowing from central bank. Therefore, money is going to flow into Bitcoin and other altcoin. That is when we are going to see aggressive pump into the market. Now, for the fact that there is Bitcoin ETF approval already from SEC, and also market has already created a new all-time high before the halving. We see the market pump all the way from this very area to the upside, created a new all-time high in March before the halving that happened in April. This is a game changer because this have not happened before any halving in the history of Bitcoin. It's always been that the market will be below all-time high. Halving will happen before the market is going to create an all-time high. But in this very case, market have changed the scenario. So market create a new all-time high, market decline. The next thing we are expecting right now, and I am paying attention to personally, is Fed rate cuts. And I said, if you look at this data, Fed has been keeping interest rate unchanged all this while for several months, starting from late last year. And what this means is that they are approaching a rate cut very soon. It can be this year because we have a Fed interest rate decision coming up on the 31st of this very month, that is Wednesday next week. And if you see right here, there is a possibility that Fed could cut interest rate. If they did not cut interest rate, then that means definitely Fed have high possibility of cutting interest rate ending of this year, let's say October, November, or December. This is very important, and that is going to skyrocket the price of Bitcoin. And my expectation is that the market is going to move all the way up to $250 per Bitcoin. Now, this move can be very aggressive, sharp to the upside, looking at the 1 month chart. But on the lower time frame, like 1 week chart, we'll see market move up, come back down, move up, come back down, just like that, is and moving to the upside. But on the 1 month chart, we will see a straight move to the upside. So what I am expecting personally is for market to first of all break this level where the market created an all-time high of $74,000, and then hit 80k and then 100k possibility before 200 and 250k per Bitcoin is a possibility in this very bull market. And in the heat of the bull market in 2025, we are going to see that play out in the market. So pay attention to this, guys. This is very important. All we need right now for that aggressive move on Bitcoin is Fed interest rate cut. And if you look at the 1 day chart, market to move all the way from this area to the upside because of a divergence I have been talking about on this very channel, and also market move and now retracement coming in right now. This is very fine because after every movement there must be retracement for the market to continue again to the upside. So market is going to continue in the next coming days to the downside, possibly to this very level of important support right here. Will turn support for the market at $59,000 or $60,000, and then we're going to see the market begin to move from here all the way to the upside. And we must have to see the market break key levels, and the key level I tell you to watch is this very price level of $73,000 and this price level of $71,000. This very resistance is important right now. Once we see that breakout on this zone of resistance, then the market is going to begin to fly all the way upward. But on the immediate short term, look at this retracement coming into the market right now. Market have to retrace first of all, and then after this retracement, market is going to find support and then begin to move upward on the immediate short term on Bitcoin. And for Myro is one of the good meme token you can get out there right now, and it is still very cheap, under $1. This is 0.149 at the current market price as at the recording of this very video. And market is going to move upward. I told you about this very pump to the upside. And one critical level you need to pay attention to if you want to invest in Myro, which is a good meme that you can invest in for this very bull market, is this very level of important support, this very area right here. So this very zone of 0.067 and this very price level of 0.042. Okay, this very zone of support is very important because market have capacity of coming back down a little bit from here and then move all the way to the upside. Nevertheless, the best time to buy is always now, because in the heat of the bull market, you may not see this price anymore, and your dollar cost average when you are buying, so you can buy 50% or 25% where it is right now, and if it drop back down again, you buy more for the market to move to the upside, or you buy 50% and the market drop back down, you buy the other 50% of what you want to use in buying. So it is a good meme token you can throw $20 or $50 into and wait in the heat of the bull market in 2025 and get that massive return on your investment. Now look at this. Look at what Myro did in the past. So this have a high possibility of pumping hard, and it is not on major exchanges. This is very important. From this very point, we see this aggressive move to the upside for the first wave of pump. Market come back down, which happened to all meme token. It must definitely retrace, and then the next pump happened right here, which was very aggressive. Market come back down all the way to this very point. I believe the market has come to the bottom, and this very point of support is the final bottom for this very meme token, in my own opinion. That market can come back down into this area and begin to have that aggressive pump to the upside. So the best time to buy is now for the next wave of pump coming into the market very soon. So this is very important on Myro. If you are a Myro holder, what do you think about the price of Myro? Do you think this market is going to begin to move to the upside in the next few weeks from now? Comment below in the comment section of this very video. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. Thanks for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.